I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Garmin heart rate monitor. First, make sure your heart rate monitor has a fresh battery installed. Next, wear the monitor directly on your skin just below your chest. This ensures accurate readings. Finally, keep your Garmin device, whether it's a watch or bike computer, within 3 meters or about 10 feet of the heart rate monitor for optimal signal strength. To pair with a Garmin watch, navigate to the Sensors and Accessories menu in your watch settings. From there, select Add New and then choose Heart Rate from the list of sensor types. Your watch will then search for available monitors. Once your specific heart rate monitor appears, select it to confirm the connection. This process usually takes only a few seconds. If you're using a Garmin bike computer, the process is quite similar. Access the Sensors menu from the main screen. Then, select Add Sensor and choose Heart Rate from the options presented. Your bike computer will begin searching for nearby heart rate monitors. When your monitor is detected, simply select it to establish the connection. This ensures your heart rate data is recorded during your rides. If you encounter any issues, first check for firmware updates on both your Garmin device and heart rate monitor. Sometimes, an outdated firmware can prevent proper connection. Also, ensure there are no other wireless devices nearby that might interfere with the signal. If problems persist, try removing the heart rate monitor from your device's sensor list and then re-adding it. This often resolves minor glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.